Today we're going to talk about that awesome macronutrient, phosphorus. Stand by, y'all. So let's get into it. Phosphorus is a vital nutrient that is found in, every living plant cell. Phosphorus, also plays a role in many biochemical reactions, such as photosynthesis, respiration, and even nitrogen fixation. So phosphorus, is also, very important for fruit trees. It's involved in the development of fruit buds, flowers, and the fruit itself, y'all. Check it out. It's a June gold peach. Check out all them buds, man. So phosphorus, also helps to improve the quality of the fruit that you collect by increasing its size, its color, and its firmness. Check out my Lisbon lemon, y'all. So phosphorus, is also very effective, at establishing growth below the ground in the form of healthy root systems. And it also promotes early shoot growth and increased stalk and stem strength. Page Mandarin. Page Mandarin. So the amount of phosphorus that your fruit tree or plant needs, will vary depending on the soil conditions and the type of tree or plant. So a soil test can provide information, about phosphorus levels, in your soil. So healthy levels, of phosphorus range from 25, to 50 parts per million. So phosphorus deficiency can cause stunted roots, stunted plants, dull grayish green leaves, and it can also, affect the quality of your fruit, your vegetables, and your flower bloom. So phosphorus can be applied to your trees and your plants in several different ways, such as broadcasting, fertilizer around the base of your trees or your plants, injecting fertilizer, or foliar feeding, which involves, spraying liquid fertilizer, directly on your leaves. So the percentage of weight of phosphorus is usually represented by the middle number listed on both synthetic and organic fertilizers. For example, 15% of the contents of this 4-pound bag of fertilizer, consists of phosphorus. As you can see, phosphorus is very important to the success of your garden. Family, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.